Thank you so much for this question. So I have worked hard for the last 3 years to create an all-inclusive program. You don't need to supplement with anything else. If you buy UWorld or Archer, that's just a test bank. They don't go over lecture content, anti-anxiety techniques. There's not a schedule. If you buy something like NCLEX High Yield, it's just lecture content. Marquet, just lecture content. I give you lecture content for the categories of the NCLEX, as well as nursing school review study guides, as well as a content schedule to make sure that you can get through all the content in 30 days and you know exactly what to do every single day when you sit down to study, as well as 2 test banks. One, it is next generation type questions, and the other one is multiple choice. A total of about 2,000, a little over 2,000 questions, plenty of practice, as well as anti-anxiety habits that you need to practice every single day to rewire your brain, as well as strategy. You got to learn how to take a standardized test, and there's all sorts of strategies that you can learn and become a good test taker. I don't want to hear anyone say, oh, I'm a bad test taker. I am going to teach you how to be a good test taker. So thank you for this question. That's everything included in my program.